Hello again. It's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. And today we're having a quick look at intonation. Intonation is where the voice goes up and down as we speak. For example, in British English, our voices go up and down quite a lot. My wife has given me a shopping list. I have to go and buy these things later. Here are some things on the list. I have to buy a bottle of milk, a loaf of bread, some rice, some butter, some cat food, and some potatoes. My voice went up at the end of each word except on the last one. Listen again. I have to buy a bottle of milk, a loaf of bread, some rice, some butter, some cat food, and some potatoes. Intonation. English pronunciation. It's easy peasy. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye for now. Thank you for watching.